Happy day, students. So we are going to learn today the Introduction to Trigonometry Part 2. If we see the Part 2, trigonometric ratios. We learned already what is the trigonometric ratios and you watched the video also. Hope you all understood the trigonometric ratio. Let me recall the first one is sine. What is a sine? Opposite by hypotenuse. Cos. What is a cos? Can you able to say anyone? Cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan, yes, opposite by adjacent. And cosecant, it's reciprocal of the sine, hypotenuse by opposite. And secant, it's nothing but reciprocal of cos, hypotenuse by adjacent. And cot is nothing but reciprocal of tan, it's, what is that called? Adjacent by opposite. Also called, I can write as a cos by sine. And in that also sine by cos, tan also we can write as sine by cos. So let me see, which we solve the trigonometric ratios, exercise 8.1. So what is the first question here? The first question shows in triangle ABC right angle at B, AB equal to 24. AB is how much given? 24 centimeter and BC is 7 centimeter. Determine the sin A into cos A and sin C into cos C. I told already in the part 1, A is angle and C is two angles are there. Which angle you are taking, based on that one you have to take the hypotenuse will be constant. But angle A opposite will be BC and adjacent will be AB. Suppose you are taking angle C, then opposite is AB and adjacent is BC. So let me see what they are asking to find out the sin A cos A. So first we know that 24 and 7. But we don't know the hypotenuse. How to find out the hypotenuse? Yes, your guess is correct. By using the Pythagoras theorem, we can able to find out the hypotenuse. Yeah, 24 square plus 7 square is equal to 25, equal to 625. What is the square root of 625? 25 centimeter. Don't forget to put centimeter if they given in the question. Centimeter. Now if you go to find out the sin A. What they are asking? Sin A. So just write sin A opposite is 7 and BC by AB. Then 24. Then opposite by side opposite to A is BC by AC. Then 7 by 25. The same way here cos A means adjacent. Who is the adjacent? 24. 24 by 25. So sin A is 7 by 25 and cos A is 24 by 25. And they are asking one more is cos C. What is a cos C? Cos C is here C. Who is adjacent? BC. And who is the hypotenuse? AC. Then BC by AC is cos C means 7 by 25 and sin C is 24 by 25 because opposite is 24 by 25. So this is now next question is we'll go for second question. In figure find tan P minus cot R. They are asking to find tan P and cot R. So now we know the altitude and hypotenuse but we don't know the base. To find this base, again use the Pythagoras theorem. If you use the Pythagoras theorem, 13 square minus 12 square, you will get 25. What is the square root of 25? 5. Then base is 5. Now they are asking tan P. Where is the tan P? Tan P is here angle. Who is the tan? Tan is nothing but opposite by adjacent. Who is the opposite of the P? 5. And who is the adjacent? 12. The same way cot R. R is here. What is the cot? Adjacent by opposite. Who is the adjacent? 5. Who is the opposite? 12. That 5 by 12. Then 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12 will get cancelled. Then 0 is the answer for tan P minus cot R. Understood, students? Now we'll go for third question. The same, all the sums are same like this only. But here, sin A equal to 3 by 4. Calculate cos A and tan A. It is very important topic for 2 mark, 1 mark students. Please listen. Sin A equal to 3 by 4. How do we have to draw? A, where is the angle A? First draw the triangle ABC. Angle A is here. So who is the sine? Opposite by hypotenuse. Then 3, here 4. By using the Pythagoras theorem, you will get the answer is root 7k. Why we are use the k? Here sine is in the ratio. So constant value. 3k, 4k. Then 3k by 4k square, 3k square, 4k square. 16 square minus 7k. Then root over 7k. Then who is the adjacent here? Root over 7k. Now they are asking cos. Cos means adjacent by hypotenuse. Root over 7k by 4k. Any of kk will get cancelled. root 7 by 4 is the cos. And they're asking tan A. Where is the A? A. Tan means opposite by adjacent. Who is opposite? 3. And who is adjacent? Root 7. So KK will get cancelled. 3 by root 7. So by this way you can able to complete this exercise. So now next one is question number 4. Given 15 cot A equal to 8. Find sin A and secant A. So cot A equal to hypotenuse. So adjacent by opposite. Who is the cot A adjacent? AB is a cot. And hypotenuse is a BC. Then 8 by 15 will be, you have to represent like this. Okay, 8 by 15 you have to represent like this. So 8 is here, 15 is here. Then what will be by using the Pythagoras theorem, you will get here this as a 70. You know very well. 8 square plus 15 square, 64 plus 225, 289. What is the 289 square number? 17. So 17k. It's a ratio, so 17k you have to use. Then here they are asking to find sin A, secant A. Sin A, who is opposite of the sin A? 15. And who is hypotenuse? 17. Then 15 by 17. Okay. And next one is they are asking secant A. Secant A is nothing but hypotenuse by adjacent. Then 17 by 8 is the hypotenuse by adjacent. Now we'll go for next one is given secant theta equal to 13 by 12. Same way. Find other trigonometric ratio. So secant given, we are having totally 6 ratios. So secant given. The remaining are what? Sine and then cos, then tan and then cot, then cosecant. So first we learn about the secant means 13 by 12. Theta is mentioned here. They mentioned in the sum theta. Then 13 by 12. Secant is nothing but what is that? Hypotenuse by adjacent. So hypotenuse is here 13 and then adjacent, who is adjacent? 12 is this AB is the adjacent. Then if you find the Pythagoras theorem, 5 will come. Okay. And after finding this 5k, substitute all sine, cos, tan, cot, cosecant. Sine means opposite by 5 by 13 and 12 by 13 cos, and reciprocal of sine is cosecant means 12 by 13 by 5, and reciprocal of cos is secant. It's nothing but secant is already given, and tan is 5 by 12 opposite by adjacent, and adjacent by opposite is cot. Okay. Next we'll go for the next sum is angle A and B are acute angles. Then angle A, just draw the diagram. Angle A and angle B are acute angle triangles. And angle C is a right angle then. Then cos A equal to cos B. Then show that we have to show these both the angles are equal. How we can able to show cos A? What is a cos A? Who is the opposite? BC. Then BC by what we can write? You can write who is the cos? Adjacent. Who is the adjacent here? Adjacent is AC. AC by, or you can write angle B adjacent is BC. BC by AB is equal to, and same way AC by AB. For angle A is, then AB is cancelled. Then these both the sides are equal. Then opposite is both the sides are equal. Then we can say, or when in a triangle two sides are equal, then opposite angles are equal. Therefore angle A equal to angle B. Next we'll see the interesting question for 2 marks question. Cot theta given 7, 8. Cot means adjacent by theta is mentioned, then 7, 8. If you do this one, you'll get root over 1, 1, 3. Okay. And find the sine theta, cos theta. Then substitute in the 1 plus sine theta, 1 minus sine plus sine theta, 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos square theta. Then 49 by 69. Then substitute the same way, cot square theta means 7 square by 8 square, 49 by 6. Then these both will be equal. The next interest question also, we have to show that 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Let me check sin square A. So as we know that when cot A equal to 4 by 3 given. So this is a question number 3. Cot A equal to 4 by 3. We use the cot A 4 by 3. Cot is nothing but adjacent by, then you will get 5. Then use this one. Find all the cos, sin, tan. Substitute in the LHS and RHS. LHS will be 7 by 25 and RHS will be 7 by 25. Then both are equal. Now if you see the next one is in triangle ABC, right angle at B, tan A equal to 1 by root 3. Tan A is means opposite by adjacent. Okay, if you find hypotenuse, you will get 1 square plus 3 root 3 square, 1 plus 3, 4, root over 4 is 2. Hypotenuse will come 2k. And find this all the sin A cos B Multiply sin A into cos C and cos A into sin E. You'll get the answer is 1. It's a simplify you have to do. Then you'll get this answer as a 0. Okay. Now the last question. Here given PR plus QR equal to 25. PR plus QR, these both are 25. Okay. And then PQ equal to 5. PQ is given 5. Let the hypotenuse as a x. Then this will be 25 minus x. Then use the Pythagoras theorem. You'll get x as a 13. This is 13 means then 25 minus 13 is 12. Okay. Then 25 minus 13 is then find out the sin p. Sin p is 12 by 13. Cos p also 5 by 13. Use the opposite by hypotenuse, adjacent by hypotenuse, opposite by adjacent. You will get all the three ratios. Now there is a check whether it is true or false. Justify your answer. The value of tan A is always less than 1. It is wrong because sometimes the value will be greater than 1 also. For example, you take 5, 12, 13, Pythagoras triplet. What is the tan? Opposite by, you see that one, 12 by 5. If you see angle C, 5 by 12. But angle EF, 12 by 5. 12 by 5 is 2.4. If you divide 12 divided by 5, you will get 2.4. The 2.4 is greater than 1. It is not. So first one is wrong. You have to justify your answer also. Secant A is equal to 12 by 5. Yes, it is secant A will be, what is the secant A? Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse will be larger side. Larger side by smaller side, anything. So it will be secant A is 12 by 5. It's correct. Cos A is the abbreviation of the cosecant. It's wrong. Why it's wrong? Because cosecant is nothing but cosecant. Cosine is cos. Cosine is cosine is cosine is cos, but cosecant cosecant is cosecant. COSEC short abbreviation. So it's wrong. Cot A is the product of the cot and A. So it is also wrong. Whenever ratios we can't able to write as a cot into A. Cot A is the angle here. It shows the angle, not the side also. So cot 0, cot 90, cot 40, cot 30, like that only angle will come. So we have to join as a cot A only. We can't able to write cot into A. Sin theta is equal to same way 4 by 3. Sin is what? Opposite by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is, should be greater than the opposite because hypotenuse is the largest side. So it never be the this one. This also wrong for. Okay. I hope you all understood the question number 11 also. Okay, we can conclude with this. So trigonometric ratios, you can able to complete the exercise 8.1 by watching this video also. Thank you, students.